everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how can you install Kali Linux NetHunter GUI on Android without root. In order to install this, you have to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So I'll be providing with a link which can help you out to create, or which will help you out to install the application. So there they've mentioned all the details, so what you have to do is you just make sure to type in the prompt, that is install Kali Linux NetHunter GUI on Android. And once you type in so, you'll be taken to this page. What you have to do is just go to the image section and you want to make sure to click on NetHunter rootless. So when you go to this section, you'll be able to find a list of information on how you could actually install it onto your Android device without any root. So there you have mentioned the information such as that you could go to the link. Now this is not the one actually. So what you have to do is you just want to go to the second, that is how to install Kali Linux here. And then what you have to do is to install it, you could simply follow the prompt right over here. So as you could see, there are also the link. You could go and read about all of these information right on this page and you'll be able to install it onto your Android device without any root. So this is the particular link that is going to help you out. So make sure to read all of these steps and follow the prompt. And you could also see all of these information. So you could go and read it out, and that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.